2, 3. You do. That is kind of cute. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anton. Happy birthday to you.
New year, new vlog. It's 2019 and we're off on our first adventure. We're supposed to be there by sunrise, but I think we're gonna miss the sunrise just like we did last year because
it's 40 minutes.
40 minutes? We have like 40 minutes and we're not even starting the trail yet, so we're definitely gonna miss it. But, you know, we could always hope to make it.
As soon as I'm coming home, I already have an oral surgeon. I already have a surgeon on call, ready to. My esophagus is like down the trail. I don't know if you all saw that, but esophagus is gone. The liver is it's about to come out.
Yeah, it's a pretty bumpy trail. But anyway, so we're driving up the trail and then we see these guys stuck.
Some Jeep.
Yeah, Jeep. Yeah. They got stuck, so they set up camp in the tent. And we're gonna pull them out right now so we can keep going.
So we'll probably miss the sunrise.
Can we pass them?
Because the cheapest one for China, if you buy 10, there's always 400.
So we were trying to pull out this Jeeper over here. And in the process, Eamon ended up getting stuck. So now he has to winch himself out. Insane! So Eamon went over the big lump and his trunk opened. Everything fell out, dude. Everything. I saw everything fell out.
I just see green, I'm like, wait, what is that?
Lad, how's the experience?
My organs are back in place.
Oh man, dude.
Oh my gosh.
He bounced so hard right here. Look at that, true dedication. Clearing the path for me. How nice. And the ladies are having fun.
We're so exhausted.
Me too. So the situation is Daniel got stuck, so he's getting winched by E-Man. And then I need to get winched as well. And that guy needs to get winched, so a lot of winching today. Got a little system going. Still helping this guy. Yep. It's been like 2 hours. How are you feeling?
Can we go home, please? This is not how I wanted to spend New Year's.
I know. Just put your winching.
Ladies and gentlemen, Yana is attempting a snow angel on ice.
Pretty hard.
What's your reaction, Alina?
I knew this was gonna happen.
It's a little bit icy.
Hard. Like, the waves are gnarly today, dude. Get out there.
Snowboarder Sean White What are your thoughts on the snow today?
You know, I know great ice when I see it, and this is horrible. So I'll come back another day to ride this baby from the top of the mountain all the way down there. That's me, Shaun White, signing out.
All right, back to the newsroom. Basically,
It's
other
time
car?
to go home.